Hello everyone, NASCAR Fan 84 here. Hey yo, look at this. An old Pizza Hut. Now anyways everyone, I'm going to a model train event, and they say they have something stuff for sale, so I got my camera with me in case something cool happens, take photos and stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Here we are. It's at a church, which is cool. I see you there. Old Lino trains and old train control. Whoa, what's this? Oh, that's 50. Seaboard Coastline. That's an eggplant. Awesome looking trains. Penn Central, this one's the GP20. Right. Alright guys, so I got this stuff. I'm gonna show you to you in the van. I got one powered train.